Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. As you can see, you can't see the sun at the moment. The sun would be somewhere over there, but just the one cloud, the odd cloud, just came in and is hiding the sun now. But this would be ideal, and that's how it was planned as well, that we are showing you today a fantastic sundown. But it shouldn't be at the very moment, so I'm showing you now a little bit of shady golf course. And what we see as well, that it's getting greener and greener. You wouldn't believe it. It really looks like that all these activities from the owner of the golf course seems to work. And we do see now the fairways are getting greener and greener. And at the same time, it gives quite a good impression. So happy days. I think we will soon see a decent golf course again here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. But having said that, now it's time to show you a two-bed, one bathroom apartment here on the penthouses. We are exactly on block 11. And, well, just let me show you the terrace. There we go. So this is now the terrace size. We have here two decent sun lounges. There is a nice dining table already fully in full swing, to say. And, well, we're looking at a two-bed, one-bathroom penthouse today in the third floor, so it's actually a real penthouse. And just let me walk into this wonderful apartment where we have the luck today to show you this pristine apartment for the first time on sale by qualityhomescostacalida.com. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you will find, as of tomorrow, this property under the reference 3605. Okay, having said that, the property is sold nearly all furnished and equipped as we see. There might be the odd decoration item going, but otherwise it's sold as seen. So as you can see, and I will point out several items, and I will start with this wonderful table over here. So there are many quite stylish options in this apartment, which do come included in the asking price of only 85,000 euros. And just proceeding here to the kitchen. This kitchen has been also renovated. As you can see, there has been a new granite top work surface put on, and this really looks fantastic, to say. It's a very nice kitchen. Well done to the owners. Congratulations. And I'm showing you this apartment today. As you know, there are not many shows left. We have another 4 shows to go, and then we go into a winter break. So, but I think this is a real gem today. Talking about 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom on top floor, overlooking the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, at the modest asking price of only 85,000 euros. We are talking about 1 big living room with kitchen integrated. We're talking about 2 bedrooms, and I'm just showing you now the master bedroom, fully fitted and equipped. And as you can see, the property is sold as seen. So with all furnishing, with all nearly all decoration included. There might be some smallish items going, but otherwise it's sold as seen. The master bedroom as well has a direct exit again to the terrace. So just let me walk around here, and we enjoy again normally the sunlit terrace, which is actually not really sunlit because the sun is just hiding behind this wonderful cloud here. But anyway, I hope you get a good impression of this apartment, which is offered by qualityhomescostacalida.com. So the master bedroom, we're just walking again through the master bedroom and coming into the second bedroom. There we go. Going backwards today, new experience. There we go. And coming now to the second bedroom. Here we go. As well equipped, in this case, with 2 single beds. Both bedrooms have fitted wardrobes, and all bedrooms have as well air conditioning. So we have an air conditioning in the living room, and we have an air conditioning in each bedroom. Sold as seen, as we said, except the listing agent, which is always not included. Here we do see the fitted wardrobe. And also, most important, the bathroom. Here we go. In the bathroom, we cannot avoid to see Rupert, the broker of Quality Homes Costa Calida, but I'm just on the wonderful glass. This is a mirror glass shower screen. So moving over here, happy days, I see myself. this was not the plan. So we are in the bathroom here of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on penthouse block 11. We are on the top floor, and I'm just showing you again, or walking through the master bedroom, as well with fitted wardrobes, what we didn't point out in the first one, as well fitted with air conditioning. And as we said, adjacent to the big terrace. So walking out here again, we have a wonderful view overlooking the golf course here. As you know, it's a Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. Some people say the best golf course in Spain. As soon as it's open again, and we reckon that it will be open soon, this means February, March 2022. What else new on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort? Well, the biggest news is that our commercial center Kasar is getting more and more interest and even more tenants. So 2 weeks ago, the new community insurance, which is dealt with Allianz Insurance, has opened their office just beside our Quality Homes office. As well, Bocao, the family bar, will soon be open again. It has been taken over, and we've seen now since a week, we do see quite some activity in getting the place cleared, cleaned and all that. So we're looking forward to Bocao family bar as well to be open soon. On the other side, the rumor says that there will be highly likely that we get a dentist clinic on site. This would really be as well a step forward. And well, we have 2 or 3 more in the pipeline, so stay tuned because there might be more news on the Alcazar, which we think is still the social hub for Condado de Alhama, and I think it's time that there are more businesses opening up, which as well keeps the attractivity of the resort as it is. Good. So coming back to our 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, it will be as of tomorrow on our webpage, Quality Homes Costa Calida, reference 3605, and the asking price is only 85,000 euros. Fully equipped, as we see, fully with all furnishing, except some small decorative items. Otherwise, the property will be sold as seen. I think it's quite a good offer because the furniture, I have to say, is really of very high quality. This is all decent stuff. So this is a real wood table, as you can see, with leather chairs. And there are many other items which, just let me point out here, for example, this small tablet table or tea table maybe to say. And we've pointed out already this great wooden side table here. It's just nice. You may mention for sure, that's what we are here for. Please mention.
We have custom-made bespoke curtains.
We have custom-made bespoke curtains. Let me show them. Yes.
Really,
really good. Well, that's real stuff.
Yeah, it's real stuff.
Yeah. Wow, that's nice. Yeah. That's from Curtain Call. Wow, they're really good.
One and only.
Yeah, they are really good, no?
We have a
So in case you guys need curtains for your apartments, please try to search for Curtain Call. They're really good. They're living in the area. They're doing this since many, many years. And, well, yeah, happy days. Okay. Whom else can we mention? Or what else can we mention?
What else can we mention? We have a very decent, also good quality awning over here.
Okay. That's quite useful, no?
With awnings, we also have different quality levels, don't we? And
that's true, yes.
One of the sturdiest models I have seen so far.
Yeah. And that's quite helpful when there's not just a cloud hiding the sun, no? And if there would be sun now, this would be really fantastic, so we could show the awning.
Yes, precisely.
Okay.
That's why it's not out, obviously. The way also it's been fitted, I'd like to point out, it's just a detail, but with it being fitted under the wall, it stays protected from the weather.
From the weather, from the water and everything.
For example,
that's outside.
It has a cover, obviously, but if it didn't, it would be more affected.
Yeah.
So this is a common issue because these canopies need replacing every couple of years if they're exposed.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
And the sun is coming out now. So guys, now you see how this looks like with sun. Wow. Wow. There we go. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. So, I hope you can see the difference now as what we've just seen before in the shade. And now you can also see maybe that the golf course is becoming now already quite green. So you remember maybe shows we did some 2-3 months ago, and when this all was brown, now we're coming back to green. So this means the golf course is well underway. Oh, that's good news. That's really good news. I think also for many people listening and seeing our show, this gives really hope that Condado de Alhama is coming out of the COVID thing, and we are coming soon, maybe March next year, so 2 years later, we are coming back to a kind of new normal, looks like. By the way, talking about COVID, we are still enjoying here in Spain a very good position. We have actually some 48 cases per 100,000 in the last 14 days. So this is nearly nothing. So we are seen as a basic risk area, means there is hardly any risk at all. Obviously, we still stick to our mask. We still stick to certain rules which we have to obey. But I have to say, also thanks to the authorities here in Spain, and thanks to the many people who are using their mask, who keep the distance, it's the only way forward. Obviously, apart from the fact that we are all vaccinated, and Spain has nearly 80% of the inhabitants already vaccinated twice, and they just start now for the third jab for the over 70s, and within 2 months we all will soon get our third jab. So I think we are really well on the way. So it's safe to come to Spain, no doubt about. We're hearing horror stories about other countries like Germany, like even the UK. But I have to say, here in Spain, we are still in a very, very good position, and we hope to keep it like that. So the more people sticking to the rules, the better it is. Having said that, just let me show you again this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here, because that's what we're actually here for, not to talk about COVID or anything else. It has become a little bit chilly since 2 days. Last weekend we had 27, 28 degrees, and today we have only a maximum of 21. So you can imagine we're all freezing here already, and it looks like that it will remain like that for the coming days. So winter has come, and we are nearly at the 20s, even or the high teens. So let's see. I'm just showing you the kitchen here again of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Also, the Coke bottle is not included. We'll take it away here. So as you can see, they have changed the work surface to a granite. I'll also change the tap and several other things here. And the kitchen comes as well, as we said, included in the asking price of only 85,000 euros. As of tomorrow, it will be reference 3605 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Just strolling here through again the apartment, showing you again the master bedroom. Here we go. This is the master bedroom now again. As we said, the property is fully equipped and sold as seen, with all the air conditionings, fitted wardrobes, awnings, and all the beautiful furnishing in here. So I think it's really a good buy for somebody who is looking for an apartment which is ready to rumble on a very high standard. So we think this will again fly off the shelf pretty quickly. As you know, we had already shown quite some penthouses this year, and to be honest, they have been all sold within 2 weeks after viewing or after showing. So we are confident that this will happen as well in this case, because I think it's a real gem. And for what it offers, I mean, we are top floor, overlooking the golf course, first line, nobody above us. We do see a beautiful Czech Nicklaus signature golf course in front here, and this only for 85,000 euros in the southeast of Spain, with the perfect climate of the Costa Cálida and the Murcia region. I think that's a good option. Obviously, you will say, well, Rupert, what else can you say? But as you know me, normally I'm pretty blunt on these things. So in my opinion, this is really a good buy, no doubt. So the sun, well, is still there, as you can see. We still see the green golf course. I love to see this growing again. This is really after 2 years. Oh, what a relief. Okay, well, what else can we say about this apartment? We have shown nearly everything. So I think this is it for today. We have seen a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Reference 3605, asking price 85,000 euros. You will find the property live on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, as of tomorrow. We did already our homework, but we had a little bit of a glitch today on our webpage, so it will appear tomorrow morning first thing. In the meantime, just memorize the reference number 3605. Or you can always drop me an email to info@qualityhomescostacalida.com, or to anna@qualityhomescostacalida.com, or even to rupert@qualityhomescostacalida.com, and we'll be happy to attend you. It was a real pleasure to have you today on board on our virtual open house today in Penthouse 11. 11:36. And we are looking forward to see you again next week, same time, same
I
station.
will see you again in a couple of weeks. I won't be
You,
here next week or the week after.
oh,
But I
because
will be back afterwards.
Anna's going on holiday. Where are you going?
You'll see.
Yeah, come on.
see.
Wait, no. I hope somewhere fancy, no?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, so the next two shows you will see only me. Well, you know that you hardly see me except the mirror. But anyway, thank you very much for listening and watching another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. Have
Take
fun.
care. See you soon.
Cheers. Bye.